Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. So it has been a while since I have done a Erin Condren unboxing video. So I have switched from my regular Erin Condren planner. If you followed my channel for any length of time and seen what planner I've been using, I will add this video to that same playlist so you can check out what I've been using. But I have found that I love traveler's notebooks. I just like to have different themed areas of my life to have different planners. So I was beyond thrilled when I found out they announced a new on-the-go folio which holds their petite planners. So I will leave a coupon code in the comment section, no, in the description box below for you to get $10 off your first order, and I get $10 too, just so you know. But I'm beyond excited. I've been following the tracking for this, and I have a traveler's notebook. I get new inserts all the time from Yellow Paper House, and but they had petite planners that go in this. So I'm going to be unboxing this, and then there will be a video coming soon sharing another unboxing, because after I placed this order, I ordered more from Erin Condren, so I'm going to be having more coming. So I'm excited to get new stuff from Erin Condren and very excited to share it with you guys. It has been a while. Okay, super cool. I got looks like a newsletter of some sort. This is different since the last time I've ordered. This will be fun to flip through. I got a postcard, so this is the usual, and I got a sticker. So they always give you some free stuff when you place your order. And then the packaging. Look how pretty it is. So I think I'm just going to take these out, and then we'll jump right into them. So I ordered a bunch of these petite planners. So I got the daily planner from April to June, and I also got their January through March. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like the daily planner because I like to see my whole week at a glance, but I'm gonna give it a go and we'll see how it goes. And then if it doesn't work, I didn't buy the whole year, and I figured if I love it, I can always go and purchase the rest of them. We'll take a look into those. And then I also ordered 2 monthly planners, one for work and another one for YouTube and planning my videos ahead. So if you guys want to see how I set this up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will do I guess like a plan with me. I've never done one of those, but if that's something you guys want to see, I will definitely show you. And then a wellness log. So I'm going to show you guys inside all of these, but this is the one I'm the most excited about. This is the on-the-go folio. I think I'm calling it right. Comes in a pretty drawstring bag, which I already know what I'm going to do with it, because I've heard people say, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. What I'm going to do with it is, because I've purchased more petite planners than can fit in this, is the ones I'm not using, I'm going to keep in here for when I want to trade them out. And then I got, they call it rose gold, but it's actually a champagne color. And I got one letter embossed in it, an M for Madero for my last name. And then here's the on-the-go folio. I think it gives you instructions on how to do it. But the way this works is, if you've ever used a traveler's notebook, is it has these elastic strings, and then you put this through the middle section of a notebook, and then you can they have room for 4 here, but I know that I can add more than that because I have more elastics that I can add. All right, so let's go through some of these. The very first one I have is the energy flows where attention goes. This is the wellness log, and I'm very excited about this. You guys know I'm all about health and wellness, and I want to definitely have a place to track and keep up with my workouts and healthy eating. I do different ways. I've done it in my actual planner, like on a daily basis, so I can see it and be encouraged. I've done a calendar on my fridge. I've done a whole separate planner, but I like that this booklet can be in the traveler's notebook, or whatever they're calling it, on-the-go folio. So as a starting point, your wellness goals, place to track your activity, your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, your water intake, your steps, and your hours of sleep. And then it goes again. So, and then every month you can track your progress, which is pretty cool. So it's not every week. You don't need to be weighing yourself. And it goes all the way through. Pretty awesome. A couple note pages in the back, and then I've heard they were filling it. This has a pocket so you could put other stuff in here, but look at the stickers and the foiling. So beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm definitely going to be using this and tracking and keeping myself on track with my goals. All right, the next one, this is the one I ordered 2 of. This is the Dream It, Believe It, Achieve It, the monthly planner. All right, so here is the monthly planner, and I'll show you. It's actually really exciting. It's got, obviously, the view at a month, and then we've got all the months here, all the different colors that go with the Erin Condren, which I love, and the rest is note pages. So if you are a YouTuber, how perfect is this? You have a place to plan your videos and to schedule them out ahead of time, and then a spot to do notes for your videos, because you've got to plan them out. They don't just happen, right, guys? All right, so if I was a student, this would be awesome. If I was a teacher, I would use this for like class birthdays and the events for school. So I got 2 of these, one of these for work so I can see events happening ahead of time, and then notes for meetings, as well as now for YouTube. And then the back has the stickers. So I love that I can separate out my life like that. And this stuff I don't need to see in my regular everyday calendar. I actually prefer to have it separate. So pretty awesome. Loving this. Okay, now this is the one I'm really on the fence with. Let me know, planner girls, how you feel about a daily planner. Maybe you already do this, but this is a new concept to me, and I really like to see ahead. So let's look here. So you have the month at a glance, which is awesome. So I can put in all the kids' school activities, our life, everything, all here. But then, so it starts in January, you have a whole day on a page. The way I could see this could be really useful is for when I make a list of the stuff I need to do that day. So, you know, I need to get groceries and do laundry and pick up the kids, and I don't know, maybe a list like this and things that are happening. I'm not sure. I can see separating out like the fitness tracker and doing fitness here, maybe things for work or YouTube, and then maybe I wouldn't have needed so many different planners. I could have just done this one, but I like to see things out in a glance, and then it also shows you the calendar here. So let's look through the color scheme so you guys can see. And then in the back you have stickers. Gorgeous foiling on your stickers. The next one is April to June. And again, it's the same layout, but we've got different colors. And stickers. So I'm looking forward to giving it a try and seeing how it works for me. Put some of these in here. So what I'm thinking is I want to see my monthly view. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the center of the book, and these are stitched, so they're really good quality. And we're just going to thread this elastic through here, and then that is going to go in the front. So that's where that one is. And these are pretty generous elastics. So the next one I'm going to do is, let's say we do the daily view. We'll do the daily view next. And then we're going to do the next daily view for the next month. So you could really interchange these however you want. I like to see a little bit more calendar ahead of time, so that's why I put 2 in. And then the last one I'll do the wellness log at the back, so I can log things in right here. And so I've got 4 inserts, petite planners as they call them, in here. And then this goes around the edge. See some of those sticker pages sticking up, and that elastic is sticking up too. It's like a little bit long. So I have been obsessed with doing these and using a traveler's notebook. But look at this, isn't that gorgeous? And then this will fit in my purse. I can take it on the go. I can take any of these out that I want to. I can add any more in. And so then this comes off. And then when I'm ready to use it, you can just open it up and definitely write in it and it lays flat. I love this color. They also had a charcoal gray color that was beautiful. I think you can only do 4 letters of initials, so I could have done all of them, but I just like the M. And if I could come up with a reason why I need that other charcoal gray one, I would definitely get that one too. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like this one. And if you are ordering for the first time, make sure you use that coupon code for $10 off. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.